The Fisherman Rib double decrease is used in our third piece original, the Ava Vest. Today, we are going to work this decrease for the left and right side. To work this decrease, you'll be working over 3 stitches that should always begin with a knit, purl, and a knit, in this order. When you decrease over the knit, purl, and knit, you will be decreasing 2 stitches so that your rib pattern lines up when working more rows later on. We will be working our left leaning decrease first. To begin, you will knit your first stitch. This is your edge stitch. Then you will slip the next 3 stitches purlwise onto your right needle. Now, working the first stitch on your right hand needle, insert your left needle into the stitch below. This creates what looks like a yarn over. Slip your next stitch, which is your purl stitch, purlwise onto the right hand needle. You will insert your left needle into the stitch below on the right needle of the last stitch and slip it back on to the left needle. All 3 slipped stitches are now back on the left needle. You will now slip the first stitch from your left needle onto your right needle knitwise. With the next 2 stitches, you will do a slip, slip, knit decrease. From here, you will take the first slip stitch with the yarn over and lift it up and over the last stitch that was the slip, slip, knit. You now have your left leaning Fisherman Rib double decrease. Now we will work the right leaning decrease. Same as the left side, you will slip the first 3 stitches that will be a knit, purl, knit, purlwise onto your right needle. Next, you will insert your left needle into the stitch below on your right needle, flip it back over. Slip the next stitch purlwise back onto your right needle, and then insert your left needle into the row below on your right needle and slip that back over. Slip your first stitch on your left needle knitwise onto your right needle. Now you will knit the next 2 stitches together. From here, use your left needle to lift the first slip stitch and yarn over the knit 2 together. You now have your right leaning Fisherman Rib decrease.